Hello everyone, welcome to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience because sometimes I talk a bit slow. Let's go. On monthly time frame, monthly we can see that the price haven't break the previous month and is still rejecting. It's still coming bearish. Weekly, as anticipated, we're just continuing this bearish momentum. Yesterday we closed bullish. But we said that as long as we don't break the previous day's highs, we are still in a bearish momentum. But obviously this is a breather where price retrace a bit and then following the continuation of the trend, we can see here, where price retrace, we can see a bit here, and yeah. On the 4-hour time frame, so we are about to break the previous daily candle lows on the 4-hour time frame at 3, and after the Tokyo session we had this insanely good setup, but I was not trading at that time. For 30 pips you could run to 90 pips, so 1 to 3 risk to reward. And then you had bearish on London session and then continuation on New York session as well. Let's go quickly and check the news if we have something. We don't have any very important news. So now we have 45 minutes for this 4-hour. We are very strongly bearish. At least if we would have been 15 minutes before to take this with this, but now it's too late to take a trade. Now we just need to wait if we close here. If we close below here, then it can potentially push and fill this whole wick till here. But it's Friday, we already moved a lot on this daily candle. Since here we already moved 150 pips. I'm not sure if sells will be still valid. Technically yes, but it's Friday and I'm not sure if price will just move that much. Let's see how this weekly candle can potentially close. Yeah, it can come up 100 more pips maybe. But let's see, next week I believe price will just retrace, will continue, sorry. Let's go to 1-hour time frame again. Yeah, 1-hour time frame. I'm not sure if I want to, because it's already filling this week, and then this had one rejection and this is very strong support. We had this support back in October, almost a month ago, so I'm not sure if we can break it. But yeah, 30-minute has closed bearish, broke the previous 30-minute highs, and then start to retrace. I believe we either wait for a retracement to potentially take some very risky buys here, or just wait for price to retrace at some point, form some sort of resistance, and then continue to retest this low and this support again one more time. But right here, right now, I'm not sure if I will take these sells here. Even though the traffic is clean, there's good momentum in our side. There is dying momentum in these candles here, which can potentially mean that, okay, one more big candle to a downside can happen, but I'm not sure I want to risk that on a Friday. I would rather wait for some support to form and then break that support, or some resistance to form and then retest and then break that, confirm the resist here, break the lows of the resistant candle and then take some sells. That's what I'm gonna wait and do for gold. I'm just gonna put an alert here on these 1-hour highs here. Other than that, I'm not sure I want to take the trade. GJ is moving bullish on monthly, on weekly is now at the weekly open, so this can potentially even close a bit bearish to retrace next week. Let's see the daily candle. Yeah, daily candle tried 2-3 times to break these highs. It failed, it formed resistance, but still hasn't broke the previous daily lows, so we can potentially have a closure something like this maybe, or at least something like this for the next week to continue. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is inside this range, which I don't like at all. But then if we close bearish, it makes sense to have a candle something like this on a 4-hour time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame, has closed bullish at this support. So I am not sure if GJ will break out of this range today. This is a no trade range. However, if we tend to break, we need a closure below here, and then we may take some sells, but this is 20 pip range, and I'm not sure if we will have a candle that has less than 20 pip highs and 1-to-1 risk to reward. I'm not sure I will take these sells here, but this is one play that I would like because it corresponds to 1 hour breaking support, 4 hour continuing, but obviously we need this 1 hour closure. If you see on 30-minute, if we break these highs, we are very good position to take these buys, 20 pip buys, but then you see we have a 13-14 pips stop loss, so it's tricky. Let's see how much it is. 130. Yeah, both of them are bullish. We're trying to create some resistance. If we close here bullish, breaking the highs, then we can potentially move up, but as you can see, we're breaking the lows here, so there is no trade for me here. It's not a good setup for me, and I'm not, obviously on a Friday I'm not gonna trade inside the range. I was trying to force maybe a trade, which is wrong. I'm gonna wait for closure below here to take sells, or eventually forming resistance here to take sells, confirming that resistance, or if we break above, then potentially I will take some buys here after the break of the high still here, or potentially runner still here. So these two ideas I like, and I'm gonna stick to them. This is a no trade range for me on GJ, and yeah, that's about it, I guess. We can go one more time on gold. Gold is just continuing its momentum. We are in a bearish downtrend, so yeah, it's not looking that good. If we break these lows, we can potentially continue on 15-minute, but then it's like you're taking 50 pip stop loss, good stop loss for what? For 45 pip take profit. After this whole bearish move that we had, I am not in favor of that, so I'm gonna wait here also for the 1 hour to close, and then yeah. But then if the 1 hour close bearish, again the stop loss is very big compared to the take profit, so potentially today is not gonna be a no trade range. Thank you guys for watching. Like and comment below your thoughts, and trade safe.